How to delete YouTube channel on mobile. So here is a step-by-step guide to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into the account you want to delete. So basically, go to the Safari or any web browser because you will need to go to the YouTube Studio in order to delete your YouTube app. So if you already have the YouTube Studio app available on your home screen, then you can simply tap on it. I do not have it, so I'm simply signing in using the youtubestudio.com. So now once in there, at the left hand side panel, all you have to do is tap on it and scroll down and look for the settings option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the settings, you will be navigated to the box options available there. From there, tap on the channel. Once you tap on the channel, swipe a little bit, then you'll get to see advanced option available at the top. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down unless you see remove your YouTube account option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the other section where you will have to confirm your YouTube content deletion. Tap on the permanently delete my content option available there, and it will delete all of your content. So basically, your channel is now queued for deletion. It may take a few minutes to several hours for all content to disappear. But if you want to delete the whole channel, then you will have to delete your Google account which is linked with it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.